What's up, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a quick hands-on review of Huawei FreeBuds wireless stereo earphones. We will also have a quick unboxing of this retail box. We will have a look on its design, features, pros and cons, performance, and an overall detailed review of Huawei FreeBuds. So let's start it. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. So this is the retail box of Huawei FreeBuds. On the front side, you can see there is an image of the wireless earphones that we got inside. Here it is mentioned that the earphone we got, they are wireless. The audio quality is superior. We will have a look on it later. It's light and portable, and this earphone is compatible with Android and iOS both. On the back side, we got some information that this is a true wireless stereo earphone with superior sound, clear voice, and it comes with tap control. Inside the retail box, we got one pair of Huawei FreeBuds, one charging case along with the cable, a quick start guide, a warranty card, 3 pairs of ear tips for different sizes XS, S, and L, and one pair of earrings left and right. So now let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So once again, we got some information here that the Huawei FreeBuds are convenient and efficient. It comes with double tap control, so you can play, pause music, answer or end call, and you can activate the voice assistant using the tap control feature. So this is the inside of Huawei FreeBuds retail box. Once again, we got some information here that you have to put both FreeBuds inside the charging case in this manner, and you can long press the function button for 2 seconds to start Bluetooth pairing and for 10 seconds for factory setting. And these are the Huawei FreeBuds that we got inside. So let's take them out. And here we go. So here is the Huawei charging case for the Huawei FreeBuds. So it just popped out. So this is the Huawei charging case. Once again, we got some instructions and manuals. The Huawei FreeBuds earphones. Here we got the ear tips and a USB Type-C cable, start guide, and warranty cards. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Huawei FreeBuds: the earphone, the earbuds, the charging case, USB Type-C cable, ear tips, and a set of user guides and warranty card. Talking about the design, FreeBuds comes with a minimalistic industrial design. The curves look beautiful, and each piece of FreeBuds weighs less than 6 grams. On the interior side, you will find an infrared sensor along with 2 charging points that connects easily and perfectly with the charging case whenever you want to charge the FreeBuds. The magnet used in the charging case is strong enough, and once you put the FreeBuds in the charging case, it will not come out even if you put it upside down or just try to shake it. Once you put the FreeBuds in the charging case and close the case, the LED indicator will turn green, red, and blue color depending on what exactly is happening with the FreeBuds inside. On the back of the charging case, you will find a USB port and a functional key that performs resetting of the FreeBuds and pairing of it with a new device. Once you start charging the case, the LED indicator will turn red to show that the FreeBuds are getting charged inside. Once you open the case, the LED indicator will turn blue to show that the FreeBuds are ready to be paired with a device now. The process of pairing of Huawei FreeBuds with your smartphone is really easy. All you have to do, turn on the Bluetooth and open the case while the FreeBuds are inside. After that, select the Huawei FreeBuds in the Bluetooth setting of your smartphone, and then your smartphone will be connected to the FreeBuds in a second. Once connected, it will also show that how much battery is remaining on your FreeBuds. Once connected, from the next time you use FreeBuds with your smartphone, all you will have to do is just open the case and it will connect with your smartphone by itself. Huawei FreeBuds comes with G sensor and you can double tap on the FreeBuds to perform various tasks. For example, if you are listening music on your Huawei FreeBuds, then you can just double tap on your right earbud to play and pause music. If you double tap on your left earbud, then the voice assistant of your smartphone will be activated, and then you can give the voice command right from your FreeBuds to your smartphone to perform various tasks. If there is an incoming call, then you can tap on any of the earbuds, either left or right, to answer the call and double tap again to cancel it. So now many earphones are available supporting both single tap and multi tap, and because of that they can perform more tasks compared to Huawei FreeBuds. So it would be nice if Huawei FreeBuds was capable of doing this thing as well. Now talking about the audio quality, Huawei FreeBuds is a true wireless stereo earbuds and the audio quality is pretty good. It provides lots of bass in the output, and because of that sometimes you will feel the treble is a bit low. But overall the music experience on Huawei FreeBuds will be a good one, especially if you consider lots of bass in your music. Obviously it is not as good as few other high-end earphones for audiophiles, but still at this price range Huawei FreeBuds provide a great wireless audio experience. Huawei FreeBuds comes with electronic noise cancellation and 4 mics, and because of that the conversation using the microphone of Huawei FreeBuds is pretty good one. I was able to make crystal clear voice calls using the Huawei FreeBuds in noisy environment without having any kind of issue. Huawei claims that Huawei FreeBuds provide 3 hours of continuous usage on one full charge, but in my experience I could not get more than 2 hours in any case, usually between 1 hour 40-45 minutes to 2 hours maximum. So this is also one of the things that you have to keep in your mind, that you must not consider more than 2 hours of battery backup from Huawei FreeBuds. Huawei FreeBuds comes with IP54 certification, so it is water resistant, not waterproof obviously, so you can use it while you are outside when it's raining and you do not need to worry about the safety of your earphones. But again, one thing you have to keep in your mind, that if it is raining heavily, then the G sensor of Huawei FreeBuds will start detecting the double tap and it will get very annoying. Overall, Huawei FreeBuds is a nice TWS earphone in its price range. The design is really good. It comes with infrared sensor that detects whether you are wearing the earphone or not. The audio quality is good. It provides lots of bass in the audio output. The ENC and 4 microphones work perfectly for making voice calls. The double tap feature on Huawei FreeBuds is useful but not so helpful, because sometimes it will detect your action and sometimes it will not. The battery life is quite good. It's not as good as Huawei claims, but it's still good enough for regular usage, and with the charging case you will get around 7 hours of battery life. So if you are looking for a TWS earphone with not a heavy price tag, then Huawei FreeBuds is a very good option for you in terms of design, performance and audio quality as well. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.